In my last video, I talked about stabilizers, why we need them, and how to do the Holee mod. If you haven't gotten a chance, please check it out and support the channel and catch up on any details if you're new to the hobby. But today, I'll be talking about the Holee Mod. This is another stabilizer mod that can be done if you're having trouble getting rid of Rattle in your stabilizers. To do the Holee Mod, you'll need a cloth bandaid, tweezers, small knife or scissors, and your stabilizer. Again, please be careful with any sharp objects you'll be handling, and if you're very young, have an adult help. Although I have no idea how someone that young would even discover this hobby. First, you'll need to cut a piece of bandaid with the paper on. This will make it a bit easier to handle. For the sizing, you'll have to eyeball it a little bit, but you want it about the width of the opening in the stabilizer stem. In terms of length, I would say you could go about half, although any extra amount will be beneficial for sticking. You can experiment with the sizing to see what works best for you. Then you peel off the paper while holding the strip with tweezers. Then this will go where the longer strip went for the Holee mod. So in the housing, there is this divider section. You'll want it to go along the top here. So through this hole, where the two openings are on the bottom, and then out the other side. For those of you who don't know where to place it, it is this longer top section within the stem. As with the Holee mod, you'll need to make sure there's no oil or lube in the housing, as this will make it harder for the adhesive to do its job. I find it easier to thread through the side with two openings so that I have room on the other side to pull the strip through if I need to. You tuck the extra little bit in to the top here, as you may be able to see. How it all sits together. Then you just lube and assemble. That's it. Super easy and straightforward. Now, I often hear that people find it mushy at first and sounding muted. However, I don't really have that issue with my stabs. Especially with use, it has a very clean sound that just lube never quite worked as well for me. I won't be doing a sound test here. However, in my next video, I will be comparing the Holee mod and the Holee mod to explain which I prefer and why. And if my explanation isn't clear enough, Homogeneo has an amazing video on how to do the Holee mod, so I recommend checking that out as well. I will also be doing a sound test of each in the comparison video. Until next time, I really appreciate the support I've been getting from you all. Like and subscribe if you can, it would mean a lot. I hope I was able to help some of you who have been wondering how to do this mod, and have a great day. Stay squared.